Welcome back to the PricePulse, dynamic discounts and coupons for WooCommerce tutorials. Every product rule so far has been told what to reduce. This one is not. It looks in the basket and discounts whatever is cheapest, whatever that turns out to be. The usual route, WooCommerce in the sidebar, PricePulse, then add new rule. Name it, set the rule type to least amount product, and choose the scope. Any product means the cheapest thing in the whole basket. The other option narrows it to a single category, so you can discount the cheapest accessory and leave the coats alone. 20% off it, and a notice the shopper sees on the cart telling them which item is reduced. The three thresholds below are left blank, so the rule applies to every basket. All users. Priority 10. Publish, and it is live. Three things in the basket: a $100 hoodie, a $30 beanie and a $20 cap. The cap is the cheapest, so the cap is the one that drops, $16. The other two are untouched. Note the shop page said nothing about this. It could not, until there is a basket. There is no cheapest item to name. Now take the cap out. Nothing has been edited in WP admin, and the discount has moved on its own. The beanie is now the cheapest thing in the basket, so the beanie is $24. That is the whole character of this rule. The target is recalculated every time the basket changes, and the checkout carries the recalculated basket through unchanged. The thresholds we left blank are worth a look. Set a minimum spend of $500 and the rule stops applying to ordinary baskets, a way to make the cheapest item free-ish only on a large order. The same three items, $150, and every price is the shelf price. No cheapest item is chosen, because the basket never qualified. Clear the threshold and the rule applies to every basket again. The cap is 16 again. That is the least priced product rule. Choose whether it looks at the whole basket or one category. Choose a percentage, and optionally make it wait for a threshold. It finds its own target, and it finds a new one whenever the basket changes. Thank you for watching.